Today I'm going to be showing you pretty much all of the basics on how to make slime. I'm pretty sure you noticed all the slime in the background, so it's pretty obvious that I've done this before. So let's get into the video. I listed all the ingredients and supplies that you will need in the description down below, so make sure to check that out. The first step is to mix an activator. And the best way to do that is with some water and a few spoonfuls of borax. Now that your activator is ready, get a bowl and pour in some glue. Once you've poured in the glue, add a few drops of whatever food coloring you want. And simply just mix it in. After your slime is the desired color, slowly add amounts of activator until your slime is fully activated. Your slime should start to kind of clump up like this, but just keep adding activator and mixing until it's the desired amount of activatedness. Eventually, you should be able to go in with your hands and start kneading. Don't forget to remove the excess glue from the bowl. Now that your slime is all activated, it should be pretty nice. Now your slime is pretty much done. However, if you want, you can add some glitter. It isn't that noticeable, but it definitely adds a little bit of a sparkle. Now your slime is ready to be played with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!